If budgeting feels restrictive, the problem is usually not budgeting itself. The problem is using a system that is too detailed to follow consistently. A workable budget needs to answer only 3 questions. What do I need to pay? How much can I spend freely? How much am I saving? That's the system we'll cover in this video. Step 1. Split your money into 3 categories. As soon as you get paid, divide your monthly income into essentials, flexible spending, savings. Essentials are bills that keep life running: rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance, required debt payments. Flexible spending is everything you can adjust: takeout, shopping, entertainment, hobbies. Savings includes emergency fund, sinking funds, extra financial cushion. This works because you are not tracking 30 categories. You are managing 3 numbers. Step 2. Use percentages that fit 2026 costs. For many people in 2026, especially in high-cost areas, the 50-30-20 budget can be difficult to follow because housing, food, and insurance take up more income than they used to. A more realistic starting point for many is 60% essentials, 20% flexible spending, 20% savings. And if your essentials are higher, start with 70% essentials, 20% flexible spending, 10% savings. If saving 20% is not realistic yet, do not force it. Start with a number you can repeat every month. Step 3. Set weekly limit. Take your monthly flexible spending amount and divide it by 4. That becomes your weekly spending limit. This is easier to control because most overspending happens a little at a time, not all at once, and weekly limit helps you notice problems before the month is over. Step 4. Keep the system visible. Write your 3 numbers somewhere you will actually see them. Notes app, phone wallpaper, small paper in your wallet. You don't need a complicated spreadsheet. You need a number you can check in 5 seconds. A budget works when it is clear, realistic, and easy to repeat. That is enough to build control. If this video helped, subscribe and tap like. It really does help the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.